Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dogness device to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your device is powered on and positioned close to your wireless router. Next, download the official Dogness application onto your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Now, let's get your device ready for pairing. Within the Dogness app, locate and tap the Add Device or plus icon. Then, choose your exact Dogness product model from the list. On your device, press and hold the reset button for about 6 seconds until you hear a beep. The Wi-Fi indicator light should now be flashing green, confirming it is in pairing mode. This is a crucial step for a successful connection. Carefully enter your home Wi-Fi network's name and its password into the app. Remember, Dogness devices exclusively support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so avoid 5 GHz bands. For some models, you will then point your phone, displaying a QR code, at the device's camera from a distance of 10 to 20 centimeters. Once you have entered your Wi-Fi details or scan the QR code, listen for a confirmation beep from your Dogness device. Shortly after, the Wi-Fi indicator light will change from flashing to a solid green. This solid green light signifies that your device has successfully connected to your home network. You are now ready to control and monitor your Dogness product conveniently through the application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.